Good morning, students. I am from Modern English High School, Sheikh Zoya. Okay, students, today we are going to learn the new chapter cube and cube root. As the previous lesson we had learned about square and square root. Square means multiplying a number two times, we get a square. In cube, it means multiplying a number three times, then we get the cube. Okay, so repetition, multiplication of number three times gives the cube. The definition is cube of any integer is called perfect cube. So here I had written 1 to 20 cubes of numbers. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, and this way you have to memorize these cubes. Okay, now just see the exercise. Okay, in exercise how to find a perfect cube. Okay, here a number is given 216. Okay, for 216 we have to make a prime factorization method. LCM you have to find, and you have to see whether the number is having cube. See, 2 was there 3 times and 3 also there 3 times, so it is 2 cube 3 cube. So 2 3s are 6 ka cube, so 6 cube is 216. Okay, this way you have to write it. Okay, same 128, many sums are there, so by this way you have to do. Okay, this sum, see, 100, 2 times 2 and 5 2 times 2. So here there is no a perfect cube is there, because here 2 is missing and 5 is missing. So I had written a statement, prime factor 2 and 5 does not appear in a group of 3. So this is not a perfect cube. Okay, now second question is there, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. It means that a number has been given to you. You have to check it out whether this number is a perfect cube, as the question says that find the smallest number and to make a perfect cube. So obviously this number is not a perfect cube, so we have to make it perfect by multiplying the number. See, by taking the LCM we can see that here the pair of 3 is one pair of cube, and the next is only 2 3 are there, 1 3 is missing. So I had written prime factor 3 does not appear in a group of 3, which is 243 is not a perfect cube. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 3, right? So in both the way, the 3 cube will be there. Okay, 3 3s are 9 cube, which is 729. Now the 3 is the smallest number, which makes 243 to become a perfect cube. Okay, again I am explaining you 256. Take a LCM with the help of prime factorization method. Find it out. Make a pair of 3 3 numbers. 2 3 there. Say this is the one pair of 2. Then another 3 2 2. Second pair, and here the last pair having only 2 2s, so we have to multiply 1 2. Okay, so 256 into 2 5 and 2, so 2 into 2 into 2 8 cube. Okay, this way you have to done. See, fourth and fifth you have to do as a homework, you have to practice it at home. Okay, now this third question is that find the smallest number by which of the following number must be divided. In question number 2, what we had seen, you have to find the smallest number and you have to multiply it to become a perfect cube, right? So at the end 2 digit will be there, 1 we have to multiply it and make it a perfect cube. But here we have to divide one number and make a perfect cube. Suppose 81 is the question. I just made LCM with the help of prime factorization method. See, 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So making a cube pair, this is the one pair and the one number is left over, right? Only one digit will be there. So what I had written, 3 is left over after making the triplets. So what we have to do is we have to divide 3. 81 divided by 3, 27, and from here also 3 has to be divided. So how many 3 will be there? Only 3, which becomes the 3 cube, which is 27. At the last statement we have to write 3 is the smallest number by which 81 must be divided to make a perfect cube. Again I am explaining. See here, 128. Make a prime factorization method LCM. Make a pair, here one pair of 2, second pair of, only one digit is left, so we have to divide this digit. Okay, divide by 2, 64, 2 2s are 4 cube. Okay, in the same way you have to do it. Okay, question number 4 is the question, Prakrashit makes a cuboid plastic which is having, they had given a side 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and from this they had to make a cube, right? In cube all digits should be 3, but here 5 is 2 and 2 is 1. So how much 5 we have to multiply? 1 5 and 2 2's. So this is the statement I had written, and I just multiply it to become a cube. So 5 cube and 2 cubes. Thus Prakrishit needed 5 into 2 into 2, which is 20 cuboids to form in a cube. Okay, thank you.